Alright, you're welcome to this video. I want to show you how to create your own custom email address, how to create your own webmail. For example, your name dot your domain name.com, or for example, contact at davidtimothy.com.ng. So this is just how the custom email address looks like. Of course, creating the custom email address is totally free. You're not paying a dime. All you need is your hosting and your domain linked together. Then the process to follow, the guide to follow, are what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's proceed to how to create your own custom email address. Now, to create your own custom email address, you have to log into your Cpanel. Now, logging into your Cpanel, you can access your Cpanel via your hosting provider. There should be a details given to you, your Cpanel details, while purchasing your hosting plan, and you can use the IP address or provide the IP address which was provided to you by your hosting company, or you use your domain name.com/cpanel. Then it will take you to the login dashboard where you will be able to input your username and password, whereby you'll be able to get access to the screen you are seeing right now. So once you get access to this, and if you don't know how to get your username and password, contact your hosting provider. So when you get to the Cpanel, once you log in, so from the find function, quickly by typing here, you might type email, or you just scroll down, then you access email account. So you click on this email account. Once you click on it, then you proceed to the next stage. Now the next stage is what? You click on create. These are the email address that have been created in the past. Now you click on what? Create. Once you click on create, it will take you to the next page. Now on this Cpanel, we have different email address. So you have to select the email address which you want to use in creating your email account. Now I want to use davidtimothy.com.ng. Let us see, the username I want to use for the email account is what? Support. Okay, which means it will be support at davidtimothy.com.ng. Do we get that? And now for the password, we can generate a very strong password from here. All right, or you type in a password that you can remember, and you don't forget, if you're generating a password yourself, a system password, don't forget to write it somewhere. You click on this to show the password and write it somewhere. Then the storage space, you can decide to increase the storage space or you make it unlimited. Me, I always use unlimited. Automatically create folders for plus addressing. Automatically create folders, do not create folders. Then you can decide to create folders for plus addressing, or you can decide to create folders yourself, or do not automatically create folders. Then you can check in the welcome email address for instruction to set up email client. Then you click on create. So these are the steps to follow to create your own email account, your own custom email account. So after clicking on the create button, in the next few seconds it will finish loading. Can we see this? This is just a simple step on how to create your own email account. Now to access the email account which we just created, we we can see it right here, support@thevitimoti.com.ng. Then we can click on check mail. Then it will take us to a page, our webmail. Now it will take us to our webmail, whereby we'll be able to, we have some now to open your email account, we have some webmail clients which you can use, like we have RunCube and the likes. Now it's an open source webmail software which you can use to open your email account. Now if you want to access your email account, you can access it via yourdomainname.com/webmail. Then you can select your webmail client, be it RunCube or any other ones that is provided right here. So now we are using RunCube. We click on RunCube, then it takes us directly to our email account. In some cases, you will be required to input your username and password, which means when you click on your domain name.com/webmail, it will show a page whereby you'll be asked to input your username which you use, which is your domain name, your name at your domain name.com. That's your username. For example, like this one that we just created, it is support@davidtimothy.com.ng. So that's what you input as a username. Then the password you generated, you input it there as well. So once you log in, this will comes up. Then this is the email address, the client configuration email address that we just received. So you can decide to check you can decide to send your email, the new one you just created, to your client, or if you want to send a mail to your client, then click on compose. Then when you click on compose, you compose your message, so your clients will be receiving a mail from your name at your domain name.com, then the subject and all that. So this is the simple step on how to create a custom email address. I hope you've learned something from this. Please drop what you've learned in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, very important, and click on the like button as well. Thank you. This is the Timothy Digital. Thanks for watching this video.